Hi guys, this YouTube video is on filling out the Pacific Legend West's HOA daily report. The first thing you'll need to do is open the daily report. We'll figure out where it's going to be on your computer. This is actually where it is on my computer. But let's go ahead and click this report open and expand it. And you will see here that the daily report is, well, you're not really, I've got to scroll in order to show you the whole report, but it's the report set up similar to what you used to. I just changed the address and the name and all that sort of stuff and funkied up a little bit. This daily report is to be completed and submitted via email at the end of each work shift to the directors of the Pacific Legends West Condo Association. This report is to be completed by the security person working the shift who, by their e-signature on the bottom of the form, assures 100% accuracy of the observations stated on this report. You no longer have to physically sign the report. I'll show you how this happens, but this is where the officer's e-signature goes. So let's scroll back up. Every place that there's a gray area is a place for you to enter information. So here you would enter your name, the date, 07 tab 07 tab 2017, and then at 6 p.m. we would start completing information. Now it doesn't look like there's a lot of space to complete it, to complete all of the comments and observations. So I want to point out two things that happen with this as we run out of space. First of all, we're not going to run out of space. This will expand automatically. And second of all, the officer's e-signature will be pushed down. So watch this. So see, the e-signature is right at the bottom of page 1. As we fill in the blanks here and start stretching this first 6 o'clock cell out, you can see the box got bigger. You can put a lot more words in there, and the e-signature has shifted down. So what you'll do is go ahead and complete this for 6 p.m. through 5 a.m. If it's a split shift and somebody's starting at 6 and the next guy's coming on at 12, just complete your report through the time that you were here, and the officer working the second half of the shift will complete their report. All right? So then you come down to the bottom here, and this is your e-signature. What I'm doing is allowing you to electronically sign your name to this report instead of having to hand sign. So just go to that square, enter your name, and there you go. So now what we need to do is we need to save this. And this is a really important part of this because you guys are basically telling us what's going on, and you want this report to be secure. In your handwritten report, it was secure because nobody could obviously erase the handwritten side of it and substitute. So this is what we're going to do. This is the process to ensure that what you wrote cannot be changed by anyone. We'll go up to save the report. We'll go up to this upper area, this circle with the Microsoft Office logo in it, and click on that logo. Then go to Save As, and then just come over here to PDF or XPS. A PDF file is a locked file. Nobody can make a change to it. It's also something you can email safely, knowing that nobody can make a change to it. So you want to make certain that all of your reports, because that's the gospel, they are all saved as a PDF. So click on PDF. It will come over to an area where excuse me, I'm going to change that. For some reason it came up with Acer. I'm saving everything to my desktop. We may have a document folder where it's going to go, and we'll figure that out when we sit down and talk tonight. Change the name from PLW Daily Report Master to the date, July 7th, 2017, and then click Publish. Now, once you close out of this, see, we still haven't saved this Word document. We haven't saved the master, and we don't want to, because we don't want any of this to appear on the next form, on the master form. So when we go up here to close out the master, it'll ask us, do you want to save it? And the answer is no, we don't want to save it. And now if you'll watch, when we go back to the master, none of the information that we entered is there. It's just simply a master form that we can use. The information, the PDF that you just saved is here. Well, it says July 3rd. I thought we saved July. Oh, daily report July 7th. Okay. Daily report July 7th. Click on that, and this is the PDF version that nobody can change. This is the file that you will email to the HOA management team. And we'll figure out, between the group of us, we'll figure out exactly how all that stuff's going to get emailed. So anyway, fill out the form, open the Daily Master, fill it out, save it as a PDF, close the Daily Master, and don't save the Daily Master. And then email the PDF out. And that way you guys have got all of your stuff written down. It's legible. You don't have to worry about, handwriting things and making them beautiful, and just do an e-signature, and I think we're good to go. So hopefully this helps. Thanks. Bye.